Do you want to add on more layers of security to your Monday.com account, like two-factor authentication? Let me show you how you can easily do this within your account. So let's jump in.
Hi, my name is Tara, and I'm a certified Monday.com partner and the founder of Simpleday. My goal is to help you build powerful yet simple workflows with Monday.com. If you need help with a custom implementation, my contact details are in the description below. Let's jump into today's tutorial and make Monday the best part of your week.
The first thing that you need to do in order to access the security options within Monday.com is to go to the admin section. So if you click in the top right on your avatar and then click on the left, click on administration. Now, if you're not an admin of your account, you will not be able to see this information. And you can see I have all these options on the left side over here, and I am going to choose security. Now, within security, you can see that I have all of these options: email, password, single sign-on. I can just manage users remotely, invite guests. Guests require a domain approval. Again, these are all, they say not included in your plan. These are part of enterprise plan, but I also can enable two-factor authentication. So it's pretty simple. I go to the admin section, go to security, and you can go through the different options of what you want, and then you can enable them for your team. If you look up here, there are other options for an audit, compliance, for HIPAA, advanced, all these different things. These are only on a enterprise plan of Monday.com. So check these out so you can see what security features you would like to enable on your Monday.com plan.
Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and remember to subscribe to receive tips and tricks on how to use Monday.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.